Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to start a group chat and add people to it in ChatGPT. So ChatGPT has just launched this group chat feature. So let's get started. So first thing, just sign in into your ChatGPT, and to the rightmost top you are having this user icon which says start a group chat. Just click it, and here it says add people to your chat, plan, share ideas and get creative. Just select this start group chat, and that's it. We will be getting a link for this, so we can simply copy this link. So you can even click this to get that particular same link. So to the top we are having this new group chat thing. Click it, and here we can manage the group chat link. We are getting that, and if you want to reset the link we can, if you want to delete the link we can. Okay, so that's there, and we can rename the group. So let me just have demo, rename. That's done. And next we're having customize ChatGPT, and basically we can give custom instructions specifically tailored for ChatGPT in this group chat. So if you want to give be funny, be creative, troll other people in the group, you can give that over here also. And that's done. And next we're having the option to delete the group. So if we click people, at the moment it's only me, so I am only here, so it doesn't show. So now let's see how we can add people. Okay, so basically you just need to share this link to anyone that you want to add in this group. So after sharing the link, let me go to my other account, and here I am. So I'm just going to paste my link over here. We'll be getting this option, join group chat or ignore. Just click on join group chat. So we'll be having the group chats over here. You can have multiple group chats also, and that particular person will be getting added into that group. And if I go to the admin, and now if I go to demo and people, as you can see, this is the new person that I added. And if I click on this, I can remove that person from that group also, since I am the admin and this person is just the user in the group. And now let's see how chat works. Exactly the similar features we're having: search, create image, add our photos. So now if I send any message over here, it will be treated as a normal message only, and I won't be getting the ChatGPT response. So for example, I will just go and put hi guys. So this will be just a normal message. So if I go to the other person, here you can see I'm getting hi guys. So if I put another hi here, yep, the gamer is typing and I'm getting the message. So this will be like a normal message. Okay, so here I'm having the reply option. If I want to reply, you can reply. You want to react, you can react. Delete, you can delete. The same standard stuff. So now let's see how we can include ChatGPT into this message. So for that, here it says send a message or at ChatGPT. So we can put at, so we can tag the people or we can tag ChatGPT itself and ask, give a better name. And now ChatGPT will give us the response. Yep, it has given the response. And the same way you can use other features also, web search, create image, and if you want to leave the group, here we are having the option. So that's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.